Restaurants thrive or fail based on the effectiveness of their back-of-house operations, unseen by guests when running smoothly, but intimately felt if things go wrong, such as cold food or dirty plates being sent out to guests. Kitchens have backup plates, ovens, and fryers, but often only one dish machine to manage through fluctuations in customer volume, staffing levels, and problems. When operating properly, it's efficiently working behind the scenes. But when problems arise, the restaurant is effectively shut down. DishIQ gives every person in the kitchen the right information at the right moment. Kitchen managers see machine health across all their locations in one place. And field technicians arrive with a diagnostic picture before they touch a single component. Operators get step-by-step guidance the moment something goes wrong. One connected system, 3 users, 0 guesswork.